Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I would love to introduce you to this beautiful piece from the Spanish culture. As you can see, it's a traditional Spanish pocket knife, Arabic style. And one kind of curiosity about this kind of knives is that it contains or has the ratchet system. What is the ratchet system, you will say? Well, if you don't know it, the ratchet system is a system that allows the knife to sing a beautiful click when it's being opened. Let me show you. I hope that you could appreciate it. Well, this noise, this click, is made when these little teeth over there at the base of the blade hit this metallic piece over there. As you see, it's like the head of the spring or the back of the pocket knife, and this little hole or window is made because, as you can appreciate here, not all teeth are the same. There is one that is a little bit longer than the others. This one here, the one that is closer to the base of the blade, needs to be housed in this window there. Please let me show you. You see, this produces the click, and the last tooth remains there, locking the blade and allowing us to handle the knife without the risk to close on you. Then, for close the blade, quite simple. As you may know already or think, you have to release this tooth and as well make sure that the other teeth that comes behind, these ones over there, are free and not blocked for the head of the spring. Because if not, obviously the blade gets locked, you are not able to close it completely, and not only that, normally these kind of knives are quite thin, quite sharp, and quite pointy. It's quite simple when we are closing the blade and this happens to cut or stab a little bit ourselves. So remember, look out with this little fella here because bites and stings. No sting from the smell, sting from like a bee. I hope that you learned something new. I hope that you enjoy watching this beauty here from the traditional Spanish handcraft. And well, maybe we see each other in the next video. Anyway, I wish you a lovely, lovely day, and until next time.